Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to make pizza in an OTG oven. First, let's prepare our dough. You'll need basic ingredients like flour, yeast, water, and a touch of olive oil. Combine them well until you have a smooth, elastic dough. Then, let it rest and rise in a warm spot for approximately 1 hour. This step is crucial for a light and airy crust. Once your dough has risen beautifully, it's time to shape it. Gently stretch or roll it out into your desired round or rectangular form. Next, spread a thin, even layer of your favorite pizza sauce across the dough. Now, for the fun part, add your chosen toppings. Remember to leave about a 1-inch border around the edge for a perfect crust. Now, let's get that oven ready. Preheat your OTG oven to 220 degrees Celsius for about 15 minutes to ensure it's piping hot. Carefully transfer your topped pizza onto a preheated pizza stone or baking tray. Bake it for 10 to 15 minutes, or until the crust is beautifully golden brown and the cheese is bubbly and melted. Keep an eye on it. Your delicious homemade pizza is ready. Carefully remove it from the hot oven. It's important to let it cool for a few minutes before you slice into it. This helps the cheese set and prevents burns. Then, cut it into generous slices and enjoy your culinary masterpiece. Don't forget to check the description for a link to the Echo Dot smart speaker and other great deals to enhance your home experience.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.